Hey guys, this is Tech IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to install a graphics processing unit or GPU. This is a EVGA Geforce GTX 950 by Nvidia, and this will sit in your PCIe X16 slot on a G gaming motherboard. Mine's personally an MSI 990 FX8 gaming. So today I'm going to show you how to install it. I personally got the massive 2 cooler version, just because my room gets very hot at times. If you want to see the circuit board, there you go. Here's the PCIe slot here. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right into this. So what you want to do, on the tech side you should have the connector here. I'm going to try not to connect it, even though I am wearing a static band. I'm going to try not to touch it. But what you want to do is line it up, or also have these, make sure that these are disconnected. This is a LAN card, by the way. Okay, here you go. So make sure that it lines up with the connector on the slot. I reckon that that's, this should be near enough seated. And okay, that's seated. Now you want to push down. Mine clicked in, it's installed. Now, there should be a screw. Here's mine. Where's my screwdriver? Here it is. And you want to put that into the side here. So let me just push my GPU a little bit over. Sometimes this can prove to be a challenge. I'm just going to set that. Okay, I think that should be near enough in place. Okay, so I'm back. It turned out I was using the wrong screw bit for this screw over here. Please focus. Let's try and focus. No, okay. But there's a screw down there, and yeah, you can see it from here now. That one there. And that wasn't in the right thing, but it's a Phillips head. And if you wanted to know what this little EVGA cover is over, it's the SLI port if I decided to buy another GPU. But now it's time to put the 8-pin power in. I decided to just use an extension just to clean up the aesthetics a little bit more. But a lot of people think that you can't put, hold on, I've got my cable tangled around this camera. You can't put these little oval ones onto the square ones. That's not true at all. You can put them, you might be able to, you can't put these ones into these ones, but you can do that any day. So I believe, if I am correct, this should go this way. Oh, I'm sorry. This should go in that way, yep. Seems to fit, and then push down, and it clicked, it's in. So that is your graphics processing unit installed. Thanks for watching, rate, comment, and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.